What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have two new items that came in the mail for me. One is already installed, so that one I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. Then the other one's still in the house. I have the bumper off and they're ready to install, so let me go ahead and show you what's on the car, and then I'll go ahead and show you the rest. Alright, so there's Whitney, guys, and the thing that I got for this one is the headlights. The reason why I got headlights is because the other ones were way too yellow. I hated the way they looked, so the only thing I did was I took the lens off, I opened them and I painted this what's it called, inner housing on both sides. They're both the color of the engine bay, so whenever we pop this open it's gonna match. So I don't know, man, let me know what you guys think about that. So now going ahead, we're gonna go and do the bumper, or the light, or the thing that came for the bumper. So let's go ahead and do that. But yeah, guys, first things first is huge shout out to Boosted Lawnmower. I'll put his Instagram on the screen and in my description, so go check him out. He has a lot of cool stuff. He retrofits headlights, does stuff like this for your bumper lights. So he's a cool dude. I hit him up, he answered right away, shipped him out that same day that I paid for him. So huge shout out to him. Hit him up for all your lighting needs. But yeah, guys, these are sequential bumper lights. They go where the fog lights go at. He already told me how to wire this up. Has our show mode right here. Sent me all the clips that I need to splice them in. Other than that, they go right there on my bumper, and since I don't have a stock bumper, they're not in the original form. This is the BYS bumper, so that's why I got this shape. If you guys have a similar bumper, go ahead and hit him up. Like I said, he is a cool dude. He will ship them out as soon as you pay for them. So yeah, dudes, let's go ahead, mock them up, and then we'll go ahead and figure out the wiring. Then we'll go for a quick photo shoot and finish it off. So I finished mocking them up just now. They look pretty similar. They don't look too far off. The only thing that I did notice is that that hole is a little bit smaller than this hole. So you are going to notice it just a tiny bit. But as of now, I have it mocked up just like that. I mean, the front looks good. It doesn't look that bad. Maybe later I will grind a little piece off of both sides so that they both show exactly the same. But for now, I think that's cool. On the back, the two-sided tape that he put on there wasn't holding too well, so I just put some duct tape all around there on both sides. And then for the wiring, I just used the tabs from the chicken mesh that it had, and I just went around this grill area, all around and under. So now all we gotta do is figure out the wiring, put the bumper all the way on, and then see how it looks, man. So let's go. Let me go ahead and do that, and then we will show you how it looks. So yeah, guys, just like that, we finished. We lost a good amount of light, but I mean, we had to extend the wires, we had to do a couple of things for them to work correctly. I still gotta hide the harness a little bit better just because the adhesive isn't working too well. But other than that, dude, I'm really happy with them. I gotta figure out why my right turn signal isn't working. So I mean, it's working, but the day running light isn't working. So I'll figure that out in the next video. But enjoy the lights, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. I'll see you guys on the next one.